Welcome to our guide on enhancing your real estate business with drone technology. Today, we'll explore essential resources to elevate your marketing strategies. For those looking to master marketing, Real Estate Marketing with Drones by Brandon R. Allen offers comprehensive insights into photography, videography, and virtual tours. Podcasts are another great resource. Tune into The Drone Show and Drone Talk for the latest industry news, technology updates, and expert interviews. YouTube is packed with valuable content. Check out Real Estate Drone Photography Tips by DJI and Drone Virtual Tours for Real Estate by Matterport for practical advice. AI tools can significantly enhance your drone operations. DJI Fly app and AirMap offer features like automated flight modes and real-time traffic management. Consider enrolling in courses like Drone Pilot Ground School or DJI Drone Flight Training Program. These courses cover everything from regulations to advanced flight techniques. With these resources, you're well equipped to take your real estate promotion to new heights. Embrace the power of drones and watch your business soar.